Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a favorites list on WhatsApp and add your most favorite contacts and chats to that list. So let us guide you through it. Launch the WhatsApp application, for example on your Android. And here guys, on your home screen, above your chats and conversations, you will see a list of labels like all, unread and favorites. So if you'd like to access your favorites list, tap into favorites. If you haven't added any chat or contact to your favorites list, do the following. Tap into add people or groups here and simply go through your contact list and add your most favorite contacts to your favorites list, just like that. Confirm by tapping into that check mark button in the bottom right corner. That is going to add the given contact to your favorites list. Now you can of course create your custom personalized favorites list instead of using these default lists here. To do that, tap into that plus icon here next to it and give your new list a name, like, I don't know, for example, gaming buddies or something like that. Confirm by tapping into add people or groups here. And again, repeat the same process. Add contacts from a contact list or chats, like your group chats, for instance, to that list. Confirm by tapping into that checkmark button in the bottom right corner. And that is going to create your new and personalized favorites list. Of course, guys, you may also add contacts and chats directly to your list. To do that, head over to all here. Go through your chat or conversation list. For example, let me add that group here to a favorites list. Tap into the given group or conversation, hold your finger on it for a brief moment. And once you see that menu popping up at the top, tap into the three dots here and select add to favorites from that menu here, and that is going to add the given chat, group or contact to your favorites. You may also add it to a custom list by tapping into add to list here and select the list you would like to move the given chat, group or contact to in the next step. And that's it guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.